Archaeoastronomy by Dacia Ramstel. For this project, I chose to do it on the Nebra sky disk. This object was said to be used during the 1600s. It's known as the map of the ancient stars. However, it was not discovered till 1999 by two gentlemen who were treasure hunting with a metal detector. It was discovered near the town of Nebra in Gellerode Forest, southwest of Berlin. The coordinates of discovery were 52 degrees north and 11 degrees east. The Nebra disk is now on permanent exhibition at the State Museum of Prehistory in Halle, the archaeological museum of the German state of Saxony-Anhalt. In the 1600s, a lot of interesting things occurred in our world. For example, in 1607, Jamestown settled, creating the first permanent settlement in the world. In 1608, the French found Quebec in what is now Canada. In 1630, John Winthrop leads Persians of 900 colonists into Massachusetts Bay. And in 1648, the Peace of Westphalia was concluded, ending the war and granting Switzerland and the Netherlands independence from the Holy Roman Empire. In 1662, the dodo bird went extinct. In 1680, first documented tornado in America. And in 1697, there was a day of fasting for accusing witches in Massachusetts. And to begin the 1700s, Lebanese founded Prussian Academy of Science. The Nebra disk is one of the most sensational European discoveries of the decade. It appears to carry symbols of the sun, moon, and stars, wrought in gold on a flat bronze disc just over a foot across. It is not only very strange, however, it is said it appears to be winking, initially raising the suspicion that it may be a hoax. Scholars have, however, claimed it firmly for the Bronze Age, though there is controversy that it may be from the Iron Age. The Nebra disk interested me due to the illuminating colors. The use of this disk fascinated me and reminded me how resilient and resourceful the human species truly is. As time continues to carry on, generations discover and create such amazing works of use with technology. To explore how humans created such a resourceful object without technology is mind-blowing. This disk was determined to be used as a map created in 4 different stages. Stage 1. A sun disk and crescent moon are etched into the chart. A star system is clustered in between them. Stage 2. 2 arcs were added to at the horizon of the map. At their axis point, an 82 degrees is made which matches the winter and summer solstice. Stage 3. A sunship was added at the bottom of the map to help with the navigation of sea journeys using star alignments as markers. Stage 4. 40 holes were punched into the diameter of the chart. If the Bronze Age dating is accurate, the Nebra sky disk features the oldest concrete depiction of the cosmos yet known from anywhere in the world. An interesting fact is that the shield of Achilles of astronomy has been talked about a lot in the research about the disk of Nebra. And this is because they feel like perhaps the Achilles shield may actually be the sky disk of Nebra. The Nebra sky disk is one of the most fascinating discoveries regarding our ancestors because with an age of 1600 BCE, it is recognized today as the oldest depiction of the cosmos to have ever been found in the world. It is said that the Nebra disk demonstrates an accurate knowledge of the heavens, older than the astronomy of the Egyptians or in the cultures of Mesopotamia. Some scientists say that the Nebra disk had the properties of an ancient computer. Though it doesn't say exactly how the Smiths created the Nebra disk, some of the materials used is the bronze of the disk contains an unusually low tin content of 2.5%. The high silver content of more than 20% in the gold strips indicates that the gold was mined in Transylvania, except for the shorter peripheral curved gold strip, which was a comparatively low silver content of 13%. The source for this gold has not been identified. This disk was produced by smiths from the era of the Nordic Bronze Age. On this adventure, we have learned several facts about the Nebra disk. We have come to learn that there are more in favor that this object was invented during the Bronze Age. It resides at the Archaeological Museum of the German state of Saxony-Anhalt. We also learned that the 1600s was a busy century with a lot of firsts in our history. Another interesting point made is that the Nebra disk is one of the most sensational European discoveries of the decade. The disc was created as a map in 4 different stages. We read about the legend of Achilles and how the Nebra disc may have a role in it. The materials used in carefully assembling this object was also discussed. Lastly, we learned that the Nebra disc is viewed today as the oldest depiction of the cosmos to have ever been found in the world, and that this object had all the properties of an ancient computer.